Now we are going to use not operator. You know, not is going to inverse, just like if you are going to complement 0, you get 1. If you're going to complement 1, you get 0. So not is to switch between 0 and 1. So not operator is used like this. Use a tilde symbol. Use a tilde. This symbol is called as tilde symbol. 1 less than 2. It is true. True means 1. Not of 1, you will get the answer as 0. So check whether pi is greater than 4. Negate the expression using tilde operator and save the final answer in test 4. Okay, so test 4 equal to pi greater than 4. So the expression is pi greater than 4, and then they're asking us to negate the answer. So I'm going to use the tilde symbol and save the answer in test 4 and display the value of test 4 and whose. Whose I am just giving to understand whether the test variable what we create is having the logical data type or not. It is not mandated to give every type whose. When you give whose, it will display the contents of your workspace. Okay, that is the purpose of giving the whose command. I think this should be correct. We'll check the answer. Yes. So pi is greater than 4 is false. False means 0. Not of 0 is going to be 1. And test 4 is also in the category of logical data type. Okay. So we have got the answer. Does the variable test 4 exist? Yes. Is test 4 defined correctly? Yes. We have defined as per the task and we got the correct answer. So you can now enter commands in the MATLAB as desired or move to the next section. So you can still you can have practice by checking some other commands also, and you can see whether you are fluent in using logical operators and relational operators using MATLAB. And for OR, you know, I have to use a single line. So I will once again go see here. For OR, I'll be using a pipe symbol. For example, we didn't do problems using OR, right? So we'll take one condition. So you know we'll use a pi itself. So test phi equal to pi is less than 1 or pi is less than 4. This test phi. So pi is less than 1 is false, so 0. Pi is less than 4 is true. 0 or 1, the answer should be 1. So if you run here, you should get test phi as 1. See here. I am same or I am using here pi is less than 1 and pi is less than 1.5. So pi is less than 1 is also 0. Pi is less than 1.5 is also 0. The answer should be 0. Okay, the answer is 0. And I'm using the OR command. Or I'm going to use a single pipe. For AND, I'm using a single ampersand. For negating, I'm going to use the command tilde. This is going to be this, you call it as tilde. This is going to be the tilde. Pronounce it as tilde, and you express this in this way. And it is available in your keyboard as well. Okay, so we'll go to the next section.